Oh, what's the name of this one?
I think it's a bead seater.
Huh?
A bead seater.
So this is
So
the
now
airline.
I'm pumping this up, right?
Okay.
So here's the gun. So we're in the foot.
This is the gate. Why is that there's a water in there?
Oh, that's oil. A lot of gauges got oil in it. That's
So that
stabilised.
has how many psi?
Well, it'll only go up to what the compressor does, a bit over 100.
Okay.
So it's up to 90 odd now, 95.
Yeah. So this is the valve going in.
Yeah, when it's full, like almost now,
Yeah.
I'll turn this off and disconnect the air.
Uh-huh. We're gonna reach 120.
Whatever the compressor set at. Yeah.
Ah, okay. If the compressor stop, it's 100. Still keep going. So that's the compressor up there. And then,
Oh, that'll do.
okay.
The relief valve went. Got the snag on it. Yeah, I'm going to have to pump it up again.
So what happened here?
Well, it's just a relief valve. It got caught on the plastic.
Oh, okay. So we're gonna pump it back.
Well, it'll only go up to whatever it is now. It's down a bit, so that'll do. That's the compressor stop.
So before you remove the valve, you need to
Well,
turn
if I
this
turn
off.
that on, it'll let
And
the air out.
then nobody knows
No,
that. That's
no.
why I'm explaining. And then this one, don't snag it because it will release the air. And then there's a nozzle there. Gonna fit in there. So this is how you fill your air breed seater. Breed seater.
Bead.
Bead?
Well, this is the bead.
Ah, bead.
This is the bead, right? That's the bead.
This is the tire. So this is the bead.
That's the bead on the tire. Yeah.
Okay.
So
So,
because this is tubeless,
uh-huh.
now the tire's got to come right out there and be seated to hold the air. If there's a tube in there, it doesn't matter. The tube will push it out, right?
If you have a vise, you can improvise just to hold your
Now,
tire. You have a bit of pipe there, and then sit your tire on it, and then uh,
so the idea is here with this big nozzle, I open this and everything comes out in a big gush, and it comes out so fast that it can't get out again without popping the tire.
so this is your tire.
Yeah. And what I'm going to try and do,
This is the beta. So that's how
what I'm
you.
going to try and do
Mhm.
is, oh shit, it moved around on me.
It didn't work. Now let's fill the air in again because it's low. Once it's up here, you can remove the thing.
There you go, so turn it off.
So don't panic if if the air will gush out because it's only air, it won't blow up. So don't panic, it's normal. So what we're trying to do here is just pop this
Yeah.
tire to this rim.
Look, I'll try again. Can you just gently hold it so it doesn't rotate?
Okay.
We only got a 1 second shot of this. Oh. Okay. Okay. So what I'm going to do, ready?
Yep. Did the job a little bit.
Yeah.
So usually you need to put it here, but because this is a small tire, you put it right into the nozzle, but you need to remove the valve there. This is the valve from that um, nozzle there, so that you can have a lot of air going inside. So it pops a little bit, but not a lot.
Oh, look, we got it.
Yep.
Got it. Let's pop there.
Yeah.
All right, so
So
put
that's
about
how you do, and that's how you use the bead. What you call it again?
bead cedar.
A bead seeder. So it's usually work into the car's tire and a little bit bigger tire, like this smaller tire. And the little ones, the technique is you need to remove the valve here and then gush the air through it so it will pop up. So you can experiment how it will work or just do it the way we did.
Oh, I want that too.
So now we put back the valve in there and you can refill your tire with the air.